Our business idea. First of all, when I talk about our business idea, I would like to stand still with our vision and not our business idea we are using nowadays. First of all, our vision is to create a better everyday life for the majority of people. Of course, you cannot eat from creating a better everyday life for people. You need to have a business idea. And our business idea is to offer a wide range of home furnishing with good design, function, at prices so low that as many people as possible will be able to afford that. And we hope that after spending in IKEA, still some money is left. Most of the time, beautiful designed home furnishing products are created for a very small part of the population. The few who can afford them are very, very few. From the beginning, IKEA has taken a different path. We have chosen for the majority of people. We have decided to be on the side of the many. That means responding to the home furnishing need of people throughout the world. People with many different needs, taste, dreams, aspiration and wallets. People who want to improve their homes and create better everyday lives. And all those people, quite often people ask me, how can you work with the same products all around the world? All those people have a lot in common. Most of the people live in big cities and live on small spaces. And that is what they have in common. As long as we offer good solutions for living on small spaces at very good prices with a good design and a good functionality, we can be successful. And living on small spaces is an issue all around the world. Nobody here probably tells me my house is too big. It is not difficult to manufacture expensive, fine furniture. Just spend the money and let the customer pay. To manufacture beautiful, durable furniture at low prices is not so easy. It requires a different approach, finding simple solutions, re-evaluating constantly, and saving in every direction, including in logistic direction, of course. But we cannot do it alone. Our business idea is based on partnership with the customer. We do a part, you do a part, and together we save money. But first of all, we have to do our part. Our designers work with manufacturers to find smart ways to make furniture using existing production processes. Then our buyers are all over the world to look for good suppliers with the most suitable raw materials. We buy always in large quantities and try to get the best deals out of it. And in this way, we can give the customer the lowest price. But then we also need the customer in our partnership, because we are not alone producing. Also you, when you are a customer, you're also producing with us. You are using the IKEA catalog before visiting the store and make your selection in front. The client can choose himself without an aggressive salesman behind it. There's always somebody to help you. But basically, our goal is that you can do it yourself. And then we hope that you go downstairs to our warehouse and pick it up in the self-serve warehouse. You help us producing and keeping the prices low. And then even you can transport it at home, and then you get the fun that you can assemble it yourself. Everything is optional. Of course you can buy services for transports. Of course you can buy services for assembly. But there's not that many people who go for that stage. Together we can save money. We do something and you do something.